Hey everyone, I am so excited to announce that the Elegant Oxford Shoe Shine Masterclass Workshop is back in 2025, with locations across the country and throughout the year. Our various classes will be taught by yours truly or Levi Elliott, the 2023 United States Shoe Shine Champion, or both, with special guest hosts to accompany us where available. This year, we're beginning our series of classes with Orange Village, Ohio on Saturday, January 18th, and then in Costa Mesa, California at South Coast Plaza on Saturday, February 1st at 1 p.m., both at Allen Edmonds. This paid class includes 1.5 hours of instruction, and you get to keep all the Saphir products that we bring for you, which include a jar of Renovateur, a jar of MDO cream polish, a tin of Pat Deluxe wax, a tin of mirror gloss, a brush, and a Saphir Shine Chamois. We have more classes being added throughout the year, so please head on over to theelegantoxford.com and head to our Masterclass tab to view a list of our current classes to sign up and to recommend areas you think we should visit. 2024 was an incredible year for the Masterclass, from San Francisco to Chicago and even New York. We had an amazing time meeting so many of you across the country. 2025 will be even better. I hope to see all of you in South Coast Plaza on February 1st for our Southern California class. It's going to be an amazing time.